Welcome back. So in this lecture, I will explain you how you can do imports and exports in Rhino. For example, now we have an object. Okay, so what if we want to export this object as other than 3DM, the Rhino format? So what I can do is, one option is I can even just choose one of the single object from here and export that object, or I can choose the whole. And then what we have to do is I have to go to the file, and then you go to the option which says export selected. Okay, if you click that, it is asking you to give it the name, and then you have so many options with you to export your file. Even you can go for the lower versions of Rhino and most common like drawing, DWG, and so many other formats. So for the example now, I will choose the OBJ and let's give it the name export example save. And now we can just say here OK as well. So now we have actually exported our file as OBJ. So now what if we want to import back the file we exported? So now I will tell you that. So let's go to the file again, and then this time we have to select this option which is import. Okay, so now we can import our file which we saved as export example name, and it's obj format, and you can have any format you want to have. For example, if you go here, as similar to the export, you can also import all these options. Now let's import this one. Make sure you have map objy to Rhino Z so you have the right orientation, and press OK. Alright, so basically now there's a duplicate here. So to show you, let me click here, and we also have one mesh here which is actually the one which we exported. If I bring it here, then you can see this is the one we had already, and this is the one we exported, and now we have imported back again. So what we have covered in this lecture: how to export individual object or multiple objects, export formats, how to import an object into Rhino scene, and import format options.